Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our October new products video. Our first new product is this OEM style gas tank strap. This fits the 1966 to 1976 Ford Bronco. We've reproduced it here in America. Heavy duty steel, twice as thick as the original. Nice welded ends on both ends. Basically all you have to do is get it, paint it, hook it in the frame, bring it over, put the J-bolt in place, and bolt the gas tank in place. This is fits for the 1966 to 76 Ford Bronco, made here in the United States. If you have a 77 Bronco, we also have the rear skid plate for that. And our next new product are these gas tank strap liners. These fit the 1966 to 96 Ford Bronco, the 1977 to 97 F-Series Ford pickup. What's nice about these, you get a pair of them. They're 4 inches wide, 35 inches long, heavy duty rubber. So if you say an early Bronco, you cut this one in half, you can use that on the 2 straps for the auxiliary tank, use the other one for the rear. Or if you got like an F-Series pickup for the rear tank, 1 on each side. What's nice about this, it stops the metal on metal contact, gives you that squeaky noise when you go down the road. Sold in pairs, 1966 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 1977 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next two products for the 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. If you have one of those trucks and you're restoring it, you want to replace the vent window rubbers, well, it's a little bit of job. We make this a little easier for you. We have a universal vent window installation kit. What it involves in this kit is, it gives you a rivet setting tool, the new rivets, and the screws to put the vent window back in place. So this basically, if people have called us over the years, how do you set those rivets? Well, here's the tool. We've got it made for you. Put the rivet in place, put this on top, hit it with a hammer, gives you a perfect job every time. Makes it really easy. This is for the 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco, vent window, weather stripping, installation tool. And for our October Web Truck of the Month, we have Colin Henhill's 1966 Bronco. Former plow truck, he's brought it back to life, did a really nice job on it. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support. I hope to see you again next month.
So I got it back when about 3 years ago, and it was a plow truck. The whole body was shot, it was all rusty, and it ended up not being savable at all. Well, the first one was a 74, not savable. And then we got a 66 Bronco that was all solid, but the front fenders were all dented, so we couldn't save those. So we combined the 2 Broncos basically.
What motors it got in it?
302.
Okay, did you have to do anything to that?
Yeah, we rebuilt it all from ground up basically. Took it all apart, all new parts. Automatic C4. I'd definitely say bodywork was the hardest part, just for the fact of I don't enjoy it very much, and there was a lot to do matching all the body panels up and all the lines. This is the first time I learned how to do it. So before this show, I had driven it 6 miles before driving it up here 3 hours.
Wow. And
yeah.
It seems running good?
Yeah, I had no problems coming up, so that's always good. That was the whole learning experience.